So just sit back and watch. We'll probably zoom through this. Say hi, Jack.
Hello! We are professionals, don't try this at home.
So there's some screws on the underside of the dash that helps you take the dash pad out. A mouse did jump out from under the dash the other day. We'll see if that happens again. I think Jay will get a good start. It'll be kind of funny. And we'll get it on tape this time.
I might need him.
But if you lay your seat out, you see it's nice and comfy to do this. I could not do this with the driver's seat in since it was electric and not working. Do you need another light, Jay?
Nope. I got plenty of lights.
Oh, yeah, there's the other one. That one sticks to metal if you find any metal anywhere.
Well, isn't that the trick?
It is. Or you can just lay it on the floor and have it point straight up.
Well, that's the thing. I got another light over here.
You never have too much light, folks. It looks like it could be comfy if you had a place to lay your head. And always have your magnet holders for your screws. Stop pushing it till you get all the bolts out. Screws,
Pause it.
bolts, whatever.
Pause it.
What was that?
You also need a Phillips screwdriver.
I wonder if that's an original bolt though. Screw. They're all bolts to me.
I think it is.
Yeah, but thinking's never been your strong suit.
There we go. The reason why I was pushing up is because I was trying to figure out if that's something I needed to come out or not. With it being a different.
Of course it is.
Oh boy.
What?
I need a socket set now. I can't.
Oh, for God's sake. You do this on purpose.
Yes, I do.
You knocked the magnet over. Where'd you put the socket set?
I didn't touch the socket set.
The bag? Did you not get the bag out of there?
Yeah, I did get the bag.
Where is it? That's where the sockets are.
But I also need the ratchet though.
Okay, I have a ratchet. Where's the sockets? Why did I even get up?
Pretty limber for a fat guy.
Oh, wait till you're my size.
There they are. They were in here. I found them. You didn't have to get up.
Yeah, I know, obviously.
Socket set. Or ratchet.
I'm working on it.
Uh-oh, I lost the one we needed.
Of course you did. Huh. Maybe it's over there.
Well, I'm already back in here.
Oh,
now.
no, here it is. From the last time you left it laying on the floor. If you're fat like us, and you try this home and get hurt, just don't.
As we said, we are professionals.
Or something. That light's right in our eyes. Like a shining star. I bought the things to fit these saggy ass doors too.
Things?
Yeah, there's these hinges which wear over time, so the doors sag like your mom's tits.
Bruh.
And so I got the new hinges for it. But of course, to take the old ones off, you have to take the fenders off, which isn't as big a deal on older cars as it is newer cars. Yeah, too bad it didn't have a 350 in it.
These actually could not have the 350 in it.
Why?
Because of the T-tops, it would warp the frame because there was not as much stability. Fun fact.
Whatever. People put 350s in them, I think.
And they warp the frame, or they reinforce the frame.
Right. There you go.
Well, we haven't got that far yet. And actually, I think it was a 365 or something like that.
Is that coming, or are you stripping the screw?
It's barely breathing.
It's okay we're taking this apart, because not only do we need to clean out, we're going to be replacing light bulbs in behind there too, because apparently they're all burned out or he disconnected them. Take your pick.
Either way,
Yeah.
the result's the same.
Yep. Thank you.
What would you have done if a cop pulled you over when you rode this?
Huh?
What would you have done if a cop pulled you over when you were driving this?
I would have told him I just was taking it to see how the engine was performing and just going right back home. I mean, he couldn't possibly think I was taking it out for any long-term drives.
Yeah. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have a seat.
It really doesn't. I have video of me in the seat, how I was sitting. It's pretty funny. No, you gotta do the thing up there. There's bolts. I see them. I synced them. Stop it.
I'm trying to figure out where it's catching on this side, though.
You just pull it straight out. You don't have to go up.
Huh? Oh!
Yeah, use both hands to pull. Brace yourself, son. What are you doing?
It's in my way now.
You're in my way, especially at that bright light. Here, let me look at the top and make sure that's the last one, because you're going to f something up, I can tell. My up sense is tingling.
It's catching over here somewhere. I think it's connected up into here. Might have to open the door.
Nope, I see a screw right there. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that one.
Oh, I just broke it.
Aw, shoot. Boy, those are crusty and rusty. Mm.
Well, they're getting replaced, so.
Yeah, we'll buy stainless, I guess. I never got to work on a car with my dad. I always wanted to.
Would have been a GTO.
Yeah, we talked about it. What's wrong?
Okay. Classic.
Ooh, there you go, mouse nests. Here, let me burn it. Would you like the sucker? The mouse sucker 2000?
Yes.
Would you like the shorter?
Yes. Wait.
Let me get some good video of the destruction. So we got the top pad off, and look at all the yummy mouse feces, and
We already removed the nest.
yeah, the nest is gone. It was sitting right there. Yummy. All right, let's commence the sucking. Hey, wait. Is that a mouse right there?
It is.
Ew. I'm zooming in on it. There's a dead mouse right there. Let me get a pair of gloves so you can grab that.
I was going to suck them up.
No. We don't suck up dead animals into the vacuum. Might get stuck or break apart, and then we'll be inhaling all kinds of nastiness. Look before you suck, okay?
Well, I don't know why I just sucked up in that hovel.
Right. Oh, let's see. Yeah. There you go. There's mouse number 2 from the mouse marrow. Where is it?
Okay, I'll see it later.
There he is. Are they actually plugged in?
No.
Just had wires on them.
Yes.
Oof. Yeah.
Those are not original.
I don't know. They're probably better than the original back when he put them in.
I mean, also, they're supposed to have screws.
Right. Yeah, they're not mounted. That's for sure.
The wires are just entwined together.
Pioneer. They were good back in the day.
Well, they probably put those in when
Do you need to suck any more over there?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I suspect you put them in when you put in the...
Can you get that rail off there? That you gave me the other one. This. It's probably got to screw down. Don't just pull. You're so violent. Did you look for screws on the top? Let me look.
Hang on.
Or are they on the bottom?
It's on the bottom.
So there was 2 screws of air that were actually not needed to take off the dash, but whatever. There's got to be one more. Just keep pulling. Let me look on top.
Found it.
Funny how you find it if you use your eyeballs.
I didn't use my eyeballs though.
Okay.
I had to feel for it.
Do you want to wear that glove? You can take it off now. Now that you've touched the dead
Michael
mouse.
Jackson.
Now that you've fingered up all the tools. Is it that hard to take that out?
It's an awkward angle.
You're an awkward angle. Whew, that was stressful. Look, more poop.
This car is more poop than anything.
It's the poop that binds us.
Now what?
Well, let's clean that up first. You don't need to have poop flying up in your face. Do you have the faceplate for that radio? I'm assuming it was there at one point. Is it in there? Ah, nice. Maybe we can reuse it. Nah, you won't want Bluetooth. Those are just put it back. Shut the. You're getting distracted. Would you like the light?
I would like the light. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's what I was looking for.
That's a great light. Oh, did you get it? Ooh, what's
Guess
that?
what's in here?
Mouse poo?
Mouse poo!
But is it still hooked up?
No.
What's that wire? Oh, it's probably a light. Okay, here, let me get it.
It's mouse poo!
Yummy! Don't tip it too much. Ooh,
Not much mouse poo film.
good. Phew. Saturated mouse piss, though. Oh, it's horrible.
So where do we get that other thing?
Huh? Well, there should be a number of bolts there holding it. It's a big plastic piece kind of in the back. It's right there in front of you. That, yes.
Or right, I can't remember. How do we get to that one that was hard to get to?
Well, just worry about the other 3 first. Maybe they've taken it off. If it's gone, it's not our problem. Doesn't that look comfortable, folks?
I stripped it.
You have to be an acrobat to do this.
I'm an acrofat.
Yes, you are. I'm an acro mega fat.
Yep, if they've removed that bolt, then...
That's the only tire that really lost too much air was the one on the front left. Not that we're going to reuse these tires because they are,
crusty.
yeah,
Musty.
all that stuff. But dry rotted and actually this one doesn't look too bad, but I bet it is. I don't know. We'll have to clean them up and take a good look. Two bolts.
Would you not own the rights to that?
have them remove that top bolt.
Somehow, I don't think our luck is that good.
Yeah. Does this even have a glove box?
No.
That's weird.
It never had a glove box.
Well, I was just looking. I didn't know if that big plate there in front of you has a glove box in it or not.
Nope.
Just a big spot for nothing.
A spot that says Z28 IROC.
We know that's a lie.
Huh?
We know that's a lie. You, in fact, do not rock. Does it just pop right down?
Well, there are some screws missing. Oh, I see the screw that's a problem.
Really?
No, it does not pop right down.
Damn it.
But I see a screw over here.
That's the one. It should be at the very top.
Yeah, it's like right here.
Yes, we're going in from the top. If I made an episode for everything that was an issue in this card, I'd be good for several years. Oh, I see, that's going in. Gonna make a happy face on it. Is it too dirty? Well,
Give me a minute.
can you see it, boy? Tell me, I want to know. I want to know.
No, I don't see it.
Fun. Wonder how hard it is to take this. Well, you know, we got to take this whole center console and stuff out and the dash so I can get to the screws behind the dash. It looks like that comes out easy. Maybe just a few bolts.
I think they've taken this apart
Well, you think?
to run the wires for the speaker.
Maybe.
And I don't think they put it back the way it's supposed to.
Well, would that surprise you? Let me come look. Let me come give you my expert opinion. Well, no, there's bolt screws right here. See this plastic piece right here?
Watch your belly. Where?
The plastic right down there in that slot. That's where the screw is. It's up against the wall there. You can't see the screw. Can you reach up there and touch where you think the screw is? Because I don't think that's the same screw that we're looking for.
You see my hand?
Nope.
Oh, this is the screw that I'm looking at.
Well, that's not the screw we need to take out. Well, let's get commencing to taking this whole thing apart. It's going to happen. Nothing we can do about it.
All right.
Here. Let me get some sockets and the... Okay.
Oh, I see one.
See what?
The screw we gotta take out.
Yes. You're going to need more than one. What size do you think it is? 10 mil?
Yeah.
Flex. That is a 13.
You were gonna say something before.
I was going to mock you and say it wasn't. You're a dip, da 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 dip dip.
One downside of these wobbles,
They wobble?
they come off.
No, not if you hold it straight. You're cranking it.
I'm trying to break the windshield.
Don't do that. Things really get expensive then. Actually, probably not.
No, it wouldn't.
Depends if you want an original GM part.
At this point, does that even matter?
No, not really. We don't use GM parts.
We're a good enough kind of crew.
Look at this. I'm recording. I don't know what I'm recording.
Sorry, guys. We're stupid.
We are.
But we're not professionals.
Professional clowns.
I went to clown college and everything.
What if I just hand you these?
Throw it at me. Crusty.
Yeah, well. That's in progress too. You bought me a bottle of rust remover.
You're welcome. I think this is the second time we've had this thing off.
Huh?
This is definitely the second time we've had this off.
We?
Yes.
We've never taken that off, have we?
Yes, we have.
For what, the radio?
No. We replaced their linkage. Remember? The shifter went out. We had to replace the linkage on it.
Oh.
Remember that?
Yeah. Is that why it's all up?
You know what? This is starting to make a lot more sense.
He is.
Yep. Yeah, we definitely did this. It's hand tight.
Oh.
This is going to take a minute.
We're not in a hurry, are we, folks? It's not about how fast you get it done, it's about doing it right.
It's not about how fast or how right you get it done. It's just about getting it done.
You know, I have screwdrivers with torque bits on the end. Would you like one?
Yes.
What size is that?
15.
Alrighty. Not provided by you.
You're welcome.
No, not. 20. One left. Could it be? Could it be? 15. Of course.
I'm done.
I knew it. Shift her back. After you put the key in and turn it. Oh, you didn't want the key. That's right. Don't. Whatever you do, do not turn the engine. It doesn't have oil in it.
Turn the engine on.
Here, let me do this.
Turn the engine on.
I wondered what happened to those screws.
And guess what I found?
What?
Mouse poop.
Yum!
I don't know if we're going to get all this off today.
It's 1 o'clock. What time you want to leave?
I got to go get started. I got to go jump my van.
And?
Go wash my work clothes.
Uh-huh.
So I'll probably leave here about 4 or 5.
Right, 5. So you've got 4 hours left. That's going to be plenty of time. You're just trying to always get out of the work. Stop it. It's your car.
Is it though?
I'm doing all the heavy work up from the engine.
Oh, well, that's just...
You're doing all the, ooh, little fiddly plastic bits. Give me that.
The screws are still in it.
No, we'll just get it here. I'll take them out.
Uh-oh.
Should be a little tab on top you press, or bottom. No, I see it. It's right there. On the bottom. Yep. Mm-hmm. Maybe push down? I don't know. Have you never stolen a radio before?
No, this is my first time. I mean, we're not stealing this.
We would not be stealing this.
Somebody would steal this.
No, not today.
It would just take a lot of work.
It wouldn't be worth it. It's kind of junk.
Let's see the problem.
What's that?
Loose wires.
Those probably aren't used. There's dimming wires and all kinds of stuff like that. What are you having a problem with? You can't get that connector off? There you go.
I don't know what happened to the piece that was keeping it in though. There was like this little
Tab?
tab, yeah, you pull it out.
Yeah.
Here it is.
You're here. That wasn't a piece keeping it in, that was actually attached. It broke. It's okay, when we put a new one in, we'll get a new harness anyway, so it don't matter. Okay, lift up on this, see how much is holding it in. Not much. So that,
These right here.
yeah.
It's a coming.
She said.
You know, I think it would have been easier just to buy another Camaro.
You think?
Oh well.
It's the bonding.
Is that what it's called now?
Yes.
So,
Don't lean on that.
what?
The thing, you're gonna rip the top off. Oh yeah. There's wires under there for the switches.
They're more likely to break off.
So is that disconnected? Or is it part of the...
I'm trying to figure it out right now.
I think they're all connected. There were bolts in there.
Right there.
Did you get those? There's one up there still, yeah. What are you waiting for? $5 years, huh?
Huh?
5 years, huh? You're married?
Yes. Why?
I was just thinking about it. You're bad at this.
Yay! Oh!
Okay,
Oh!
see if this will pop that center piece there with the buttons. See if that pushes up the whole console. Put your fingers underneath. No, maybe not.
No,
Okay,
that'd be too easy.
then carefully lift that up.
How about this?
Yeah, pull the emergency brake all the way up. Yeah, there you go. Now kind of lift up, pull it back towards the back. Well, maybe leave that emergency brake down. It looks like it's getting in the way. What
Or maybe let's let it come.
is there a spot where that can come out?
No.
Okay, so you're gonna have to take that off. Is there screws in it?
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see? Put it back down.
The question is it even the original?
Well, why don't you put the light on it so we can see if it's a star driver? It's Phillips.
It's Phillips.
Take the bolt out. It's still got the tip in. Just the tip. This is an hour of entertainment right here. See, we've only been doing this an hour. It just feels longer. Yes.
Yay.
Does that tip, the screw thing come off, the springy part? Okay.
One.
One of them looks like it popped off already. Pull up, push it out. There you go, pull.
Pull what?
Pull it up. Does it will come through?
No.
Oh, really? That's weird. Usually the wire will come through unless you just push it back down.
They look all different, so.
Yes, there's only one way they'll go.
Oh, one more down.
Why don't you take it off the e-brake before you break that piece?
What?
Take that off the e-brake.
I can't.
Why? Oh, you could. The little engine that can. Here, give me your screwdriver. Go ahead and try it again. Go ahead.
Ow. How the fuck did you get this one?
They already broke that side. See, you've broken something. Quit twisting it around, boy. Okay, pull.
Well, that's one way to do it, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
That's going to need to be replaced.
Yeah, they will. All right, look for screws holding that in now. Get off the phone!
Found some. It won't come off.
Did you take the screws out?
No.
Huh. Let me guess, wrong size. What size?
Not that size.
Well, if only you had some of these things to test.
Grabs that one.
What is that?
Potato chip.
Ooh, eat it.
Oh, there's two different ones.
Of course there is.
Why wouldn't there be?
You mean there's two different size screws? They wouldn't do that at the factory. Check along the sides here and up there in the front. Is that hooked onto that front plate up there? All the way up there?
Oh, I see it. It's right here. Ow!
Good. Good for you, mate. Thought you needed a break.
Whatever. It's not that one.
Again, you have things right there.
It ain't that one either.
I hate you.
It is this one now.
Slow down now, boy. Stop pulling on that. Where's it? How's it hooked to that?
It's this one screw I didn't take out earlier because I didn't think we needed to.
See? See? There's two of them. I see two of them. I seen it.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, God, please do. Sooner than later.
Once the Camaro's fixed.
Of course.
You better hurry up then. You're like, that's all I got to do.
I'm all day and night I'm working. Don't lean on that. Well, how many times I gotta tell you?
My life's a joke. This broke.
Yeah, I see. Wonder why.
Oh well.
You mean this small piece of plastic isn't meant to support hundreds of pounds?
No. This 50-year-old desiccated piece of plastic. You forgot
There's
that.
no piece of plastic that small.
You forgot that part though.
What are you doing? It's under there? It's not those bolts right there?
Here?
Yeah.
It's probably those two, but it's definitely these.
Oh, okay. I didn't know there was bolts back there. Here, let me go ahead and...
Not kill the battery?
What the hell? Why is it... Put it in park. I was like, why is it not coming out?
I don't know if it's over there connected like that. Mm-hmm. We'll find out.
Yep. You know how we do stuff. Take screws out until it comes apart.
And then at the end, Realized we only had to take about a quarter of the screws out.
We had to take all this apart anyway, Jay, to get the carpet, because it's carpet all along this whole well. I know you don't care enough to take all the carpet and stinkiness out, but I do. Does that lift up? Can you lift the heater console up and out?
Huh?
The whole heater thing. It needs to just separate somehow, doesn't it? There you go. Hey, look at there. Do you need to shift it back again? You can't because it's out of... Always something. You know what? The battery's not even in it. So. Okay, go ahead. No, pull the shifter back all the way.
Guess what I found?
Mouse poo! Ugh. Ugh. Oh, yeah.
I found the screws.
More screws?
Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
Well, this has been taken apart before.
Another different size screw. Imagine that.
Did we take this apart?
It's a good possibility. I think I've worked on this before. We're going to get you a cool shifter, too.
Might as well.
Well, I mean just the knob for it, where that one just popped right off. You can disconnect that stupid hot there. There's going to be screws under it. Don't just rip it down and destroy the dash more than it is.
It's going to require effort.
I know. Get that out of my eyes, boy. Damn. Did it fit?
Something's hurting my back.
That seat. This seat hurts my back. When you sit in it? No, when I lay in it. What is the problem? It's too big.
It must be metric.
Well,
Give me the metric sets.
you have it. I hooked it on the thing down there. Where did you put it? Right there. And you've got most of those out already. This is why he doesn't do anything. I let him work on the engine just for this reason. Did you find it? Oh, it was in there, huh?
Maybe it's stripped? Doesn't look stripped.
Maybe you're stripped. Do you need me to help you?
Fucking right. Okay, that's a 10. That's a 12. This is an 11. You see how loose it is?
Yeah.
See how I just dropped it?
Mm-hmm.
I just figured it out.
It's a 10.
It's a 10. And what can you never find? 10.
It's probably on the ratchet, the wrench, the ratchet right by your belly. Yeah, there. That's probably the 10. Hey, look at that. Woo!
There's still two different sizes.
Yeah, they were.
Oh.
More.
Uh-huh.
Well, it can't just hold on there with unicorn farts and wishes.
I thought that's what they ran on.
That's what they run on. It doesn't hold stuff together, though.
Oh.
Well, that side's done.
No.
Really?
No, it's not.
It looks like it.
It's not.
Okay. Too bad these aren't 2 pieces. Would that be nice? We could make it 2 pieces. This might be the nicest part of this car at this point.
What?
This dash. It doesn't look too f***ed up.
2 different sizes.
Shocking. And you've lost it.
Oh, I've lost it all again. I think this is the computer.
I see stuff wiggling up at the top. Yeah, they say the computer is behind there, so probably is.
Well, there's a lot of wires. And they look important.
So I wouldn't go cutting them.
I cut them already.
Don't. Hey, do you guys address that you got this car from? We could ship him his mice back.
Well, these were actually your mice.
Oh, they could have been. I don't know though. That one, there was ones under the dash. I don't know. How do you know?
I don't remember a mice nest being in here before.
You didn't have the dash off. But they're probably mine. Fine, I'll keep him. See lots of stuff moving at the top. Heck, maybe you can get in there now with that out of the way. Oh yeah, it's getting there.
I think the computer's loose.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I found the computer.
And mouse nest.
Guess what I found?
Mouse nest!
Mouse poo!
Oh, that's mouse nest.
This is the computer.
Computer.
Hello,
Stop
computer.
pulling on it. You're so violent. Stop it! You're gonna break it! Okay. Well, can you get to that thing in the box now? Or are you gonna work on this side?
Let's work on this side.
Yeah, we gotta get the whole thing out, so, you know. Malls will do it.
You know what's really going to be fun?
What?
Putting the mother back together.
You're gonna be helping with that. What's that?
It's a button.
Oh, the broken button. Buttons, buttons! Who's got the buttons? Well, I think there's screws along the...
I don't know.
See those...
I found some screws. I'm just going to...
Well, no, I see screws. See those along the gauges? I think the gauge actually comes out without the dash being removed. Those aren't Phillips. Those are going to be, I think they're like a... Yeah, like a T10 or something.
It's going to be the same T as we were using.
T15 then? Yay. That makes life easier. You may hold that. Does that help? Since you don't want to use that nice light you bought me.
Ow!
Because we're probably going to have to pull that out, and there's probably bolts under holding the dash on. Because that's just the way it is. Do you need another holder?
Yes.
Do you really?
Yes.
Since you've got that one so full. Oh, yeah.
You probably should have bought 2.
Oh, I've got like 4 other ones over here.
You should have bought 3 then.
I should have, because they were $2. They're normally like $5 each. Here you go. Hey folks, did I show you? We've got the warmth in the garage today.
It's a bit chilly.
It is. Last I checked, it was like 41 degrees. So we kicked up the kerosene heater.
Smells like the 90s.
Till I start getting that YouTube money. Woo!
It smells like the 90s in here.
Well, actually the 80s.
Well, that would actually be that would make sense since we're working on an 86.
True. That's when we got our kerosene here. I was just a boy. Everybody had kerosene heaters back in the day.
Well, we were just poor folks, though.
Who?
Us.
You're a different era than me. Don't even try that shit.
Maybe the rich folk, they had regular heaters.
Right?
Our houses were built in the early 1900s and had gravity furnaces.
There's two right here too, in case you can't see it.
They were not efficient.
Gravity furnace?
Yeah, that's what the kind of furnaces you had over on Hogs were gravity furnaces.
No, they weren't. They were forced air.
Were they?
Yeah. Had a blower motor that pushed the air through them.
Huh. All the houses I've been over there were old coal conversion gravity furnaces.
That's weird. If they're gravity furnaces, they would have vents that just lead from one floor to the next. Dreama's house is more like a gravity furnace. That's a little rusty. Just a little.
And you're a little musty.
Yep. Two more down there.
Oh, well.
Is that broke?
That might have been. I don't know.
You don't know anything.
Maybe not.
Does that just pull out now? Have you even attached anything? Maybe you gotta take that off first. Let me do it. I know how violent you get with these things.
I was going to get a hammer.
I knew it.
Gee, I wish I would have thought of that.
Yeah, but I'm not forcing it to twist. You would force it. We'll make this speaker the one that activates your boomer. Or this toggle switch, yeah. I mean, this doesn't actually, I don't think, need to come off. But
I think it does.
does it?
Yeah, it definitely does.
Okay, well, we'll get to it.
Perhaps we should go to the YouTube.
Well, see, does the dash pull out any? Here, push this down all the way. It may have been all the way down, but
What?
push the steering wheel down all the way. Okay. Does the clusters pull out any? Look at that. Hey, you have rear window defrost. Look at that. We take all the bolts off to see if it comes apart.
Well, we need to figure out how to take the light knob off.
All the bolts off because we're not very smart. I'll get there.
Found a couple.
I'm sure.
Found lots of them.
Uh-huh.
I'm actually getting quite distracted with all of them.
All the shiny screws.
You know what's going to be not fun?
What?
Put all these screws back.
Yeah, well, we'll get there when we get there. We may be hauling this to the junkyard by then. Selling it for parts. Already in pieces.
Plus new parts.
Right.
My arm's tired.
Mm-hmm. Watch out, there might be...
Mouse poo.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Are you filming this?
Yes.
Are you sure we got that? So we know where to put that?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's intriguing you now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I don't know how that thing works. I hate not knowing how things work.
Well, we're going to find out.
Yeah, we are.
Whew.
Did you get it?
Got what?
Exactly. You should be able to unhook the actual gauge first from the mounting on the back. Look, bend that up a little. There should be like a little bolt that holds that to the mounting.
It does. There's one bolt.
Yeah, take it out and that'll just pull away, and then you'll be able to see the other bolts better. Or just do it like that. We'll have to see if there's some aftermarket gauges that actually fit in the dash, like, you know, made for it.
Uh-huh. I see duct tape.
It's not a proper hillbilly Camaro without duct tape.
But hillbillies didn't own the Camaro before.
It's not a proper ghetto Camaro without duct tape.
I need a deep well socket. Well, we'll figure that out later.
All right. You done for now?
Well, now hold your horses. Hold your horses. Oh, something fell.
Frame hoop. Is that just pulling out, or is it hooked to stuff?
I don't know. Guess what I found?
Mouse poo!
Mouse poo! Where's the light at?
What light?
Give me that dang old light.
What light? You should have a very clear view of it at this point. Yes? No?
I'm gonna be honest with you. I have no idea what the fuck I'm looking at.
Oh, God. Did I turn this off? We don't need to be recording now because I'm about to get very...
It was at this time we decided to stop for the day to get food and bandages for Jack. Tune in next time for part 2.
Yeah.